welcome to One Man's Collection. Today I'm looking at issue 60 of the Ferrari Collection Magazine. We have the 308 GTB, beautiful car in a full race spec with the extra 4 lights on the front. I do like this model. I will have a closer look after we quickly go through the magazine. Like in each issue, I don't read everything in full detail. You will need to pause the video in order to read it if you do wish to do that. But inside this issue, we have the Formula One racing legend Michael Schumacher story there. Competition model is of the 308 GTB Group 4, 1982. So that's the one we got I just showed a moment ago. Early Pininfarina collaboration, the 375mm, which we did get a model already, I believe. And the poster, which I do not take out, is of the 308 GTB. Cool. So story on Michael Schumacher. There's been plenty of those over the years, but obviously a Ferrari multi-champion, so they've definitely put in a story. After announcing his retirement from Grand Prix racing, Michael Schumacher celebrated his 91st victory and the last of his first chapter in Formula One at the 2006 Chinese Grand Prix, where he drove a Ferrari F2006. The driver came out of retirement in 2010, but further wins are still a possibility. So further wins. I don't think I got this magazine that far back, did I? So, no, 2013 this was published, according to Eagle Moss there. So these were Eagle Moss. I don't think Eagle Moss is around anymore. Wow, look at all the wins in his championship there. I'm not going to go through those, but yeah. Lots, all the way up to 2006. We're not going to talk about his Mercedes days, I'm guessing. Delivering a long-awaited title. It had been a while for Ferrari until Schumacher came in and, with their help, got back to the championship lead. Off to the 308 GTB Group 4, so it was not easy to adapt an elegant 308 GTB Pininfarina Berlinetta for the tough conditions associated with rallying, yet this extraordinary Ferrari proved well up to the task, and in 1982 was a major challenge in the Italian Rally Championship. Awesome. Awesome to see a Ferrari as a rally car. Ferrari's Grand Tours have always aroused strong emotion on the road, but mainly due to their powerful and reliable V12 engines. They've also been performed well in racing conditions. One of the key features of this glorious family of cars is their ability to combine outstanding performance with strikingly elegant coachwork. Yeah. I'm not going to read the whole story there, but very nice. The Great Ferrari's 308 GTB Group 4. Although in 1974 Ferrari officially withdrew from all competitions except Formula One, the company still offered some support to teams and individuals racing the models in Grand Tour and sports events. An example was the 365 GTB/4C, a model derived from the series-produced Daytona. A few years later, it was the turn for the 308 GTB Berlinetta, prepared by Micheletto in Group 4, which took part in the World Rally Championship. The model soon became extremely popular among rally fans in the early 1980s because of its many victories. Most of them secured by a French driver, Claude Andrew, and the Italian Tonino Tognana. I'm terrible with names, but we'll try anyway. 308 GTB Group 4 became a real star in this category, amassing 7 major victories in 1982, 5 in 1981, 3 in 1983, and 2 in 84. Gee, all right. Well done. All right, what poster we got? Look at the crowd that's standing on the side of the road. Still don't get that idea, but very nice. Engine was a 90-degree V12 2.9 to 6.9, so just under 3 litre. 288 brake horsepower at 8,000 RPM. Wow. No known maximum top speed. On a rally circuit, you're not necessarily doing the top speed, obviously. 2 glorious seasons. Winning at Corsica. There we go. Moving back to the classic cars, this is the MM, so 375mm. Powered by one of the most potent V12 engines produced by Maranello in the early 1950s. 375mm ruled supreme in endurance races in 53 and 54. The model was good enough to win the World Sports Car Championship in its first season. Well done. I think I've already shown that model, as I was saying. Do love the old 250s. That's what it looks like. What have we got there? Elegant Ferrari 375mm. It's actually running with a roof, is it? Okay. Actually, that one looks like a 250 with a coupe roof there. All right. Moving on with the next issue. We actually have the Ferrari F40 Le Mans model. I do believe it's in that blue with 84. Actually, I don't know what number's on it. I think it's 84. I have to go and have a look, but it's definitely the blue model. Very nice. That'll be in issue 61 next week. Let's go and have a look at this model in some more detail. So let me bring it up to the other camera. The sponsorship detail on that. Yeah, it works. What I like is that it does have the antenna, and this is all in a magazine priced car. Costs you a lot more just to get these on the shelf. It's even got a license plate on it. What I mean is to buy this in a die-cast model these days, it's going to cost you more than the, I think, $17 Australian, 15 US, 12 US probably, that I originally paid for this. Seat belts are painted on, blue seats though, underneath, not very much. But very happy to have found this. Sorry, not found, but subscribed to this and got it. Only one mirror. I don't think I broke off another mirror. That would suck if that was the case. But I think there's only the one mirror on this. I like it. Very happy to get this. Now, what I haven't found is any of these ending up in discount stores or the likes. Even though I found some of the Daytonas, Testarossas, and I purchased another one. I can't remember where, but not found any of these race cars. They're not getting it donated, or they're not lasting because they are popular. I'm going to finish there, put it on the turntable so you can have a look. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll be back next week with another one. Cheers. Bye.